Hello, welcome to All Auto Parts video inventory. What we have here is 2008 Acura RDX. This car has a 2.3 liter engine, turbo, all-wheel drive with automatic transmission, and it has 68,000 miles on it. We got this car from Insurance Auction here in Southern California. The production date on this car is October of 2007. If you have any question about this car, please contact us at 1-800-797-4595 or visit our website at www.allauto.com. Thank you.